Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Lucky, and today I'm going to give you my end-of review on the Umidigi One Max. It's a water drop notch phone and it looks amazing. So this is the phone, guys. As you can see, the back has this stunning twilight color and it's just really elegant. Just look at that, guys. Just so nice. And in the front you've got that beautiful water drop. As you can see, that just looks amazing, guys. Let's just put that next to some few other phones, guys, so you can see just how beautiful that looks. So guys, just look how beautiful that looks. So I've got the iPhone here, iPhone XS, and I've got the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. You can just see the different of the screen notches. So this one, iPhone, of course, is the bigger with advanced face unlock. This one has got a standard face unlock, but this one just looks so nice, as you can see. So guys, one test I want to show you guys is just the YouTube playback. So I'm just going to open YouTube on all of them. I'm just going to pick video from my channel. Oh, this is so hard. Don't even go to my channel. So we're just gonna pick the Xiaomi video. Oops, it's the wrong button. Let's just take the volume down on all of them. And let's just go into full screen and you can see the difference. So I'm not sure how well you guys can see this, but this one won't even go to the edge, as you can see here, but this will go all the way to the edge, and same with the iPhone. So just how much better this is compared to this one. This is like 1,000 when you're looking at 250, and then you're looking at a 150 phone. So that is really good for £150. I like that screen. Go all the way to the edge, but it's not in everything it goes to the edge. Some games does not support it all the way, but that's up to the games. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that feature. Something I really like, because I've seen other phones it never goes to the edge, it just stops like there or something like that. But this one does, so that's really nice. And of course the video is playing back at 710. So the video is only playing back at 720 because it's not a full HD screen, but for £150 you really can't complain. You're getting a water drop notch and it just looks amazing. And the speed is really powerful. It's really fast, I have to say that. I didn't have any lags, anything like that. It was really nice and snappy. We've got the Helio P23 processor with 4 of the cores clocked at 2 GHz and the other 4 clocked at 1.5. So that's really good, and we've got 4 gigs of RAM as well as 128 gigabytes of storage, which is really good. So let's go and open some games, guys. So let's open Asphalt 9 and just see how well that plays, because I had no issue with gamings. Even though it's only 150, games were fine. As you can see, this game does not go all the way to the edge, so that's sad, but that's up to the game developer now doing full screen support. So let's just play one game and you guys can see how well everything works. So the speaker is mono only, guys, you need to remember that, but at this price point mono speaker is really good. And the speaker is nice and loud, it's not bad anything, it's just mono. And it's a good thing it's on the top, so when I'm holding my phone like that, it's not gonna block the sound. Let's play a game, guys. Let's add a bit of sound so there's not too empty when I'm playing, so yeah. See, games works fine. It's not lagging. The quality is decent. We are working with a 720p display here, but for that resolution it looks fine. It is only 1520 by 720, but that looks still good. You're not gonna notice. If you're coming from a really good phone, then yeah, with a good screen you might see a notice, but otherwise on this small display it's really hard to notice the difference. See, the game went fast, no lags, nothing, so that works fine. So I played a few games and I had no issues, no lags, anything like that. It didn't freeze on me or power down anything, so that is a good thing. So phone games works really fine on the phone, so that's a really good thing. So let's just try a different game, guys. So I do have Modern Combat 5 on here. Let's open that up. As you can see, this game is the same. It just stops here. It does not go all the way to the edge. But as I said, that's up to the game developer. The same with the iPhone. It's not all games. Some games will just stop at the notch thing, but some won't go all the ways. So let's try this. So skip. I don't want to go to add campaign. Let's continue. Let's just start on the mission. So this is a more shooting game, so I need to move around. So let's see how well that works, if it lags anything like that. Okay, so the game is begun. So it's okay to use, it's not that hard. So if you're used to playing shooting games on the screen, then you won't have any issues. As you can see, I'm not used to this. I'm more of a controller person. Oops, that's a grenade. Yep, I shot my guy there. It's okay, the screen is not bad. It's just I'm not good at the game. Let's keep going. And I'm dead. So you see, guys, it works fine, no lags, nothing like that. It's just I lost. So for games, guys, the phone works fine. As you can see, both games worked fine. I didn't have any issues. It was not lagging, anything like that. So that's a really good thing. And we do have USB-C for charging, so the phone battery will go a bit quicker than normal when you're playing games, but you've got USB-C and fast charging. Just plug it in and you've got some good juice. But yeah, let's check out the camera. So I don't want to take a selfie, but yeah. So the camera is actually decent. I was actually hoping the camera is going to be a bit dull. So as you can see, guys, this is the issue I had. It would take a bit of time to focus in due to the lights. But some places it's fine. Look there, now it's in focus and it looks really sharp. But here, as you can see, it's having a struggle on focusing. But when it focuses, the picture actually looks really decent and sharp, guys. You can see all the details I picked up, the lines, the stickers, everything looks fine. But when it's not focusing, it is struggle. I'm not sure why. This is just my unit that's doing this. As you can see, it's doing it again. It wants to focus, but then it's not focusing. So when if this focus, it works fine. See, the picture looks really good when it focuses. Everything is nice and sharp. You can see all the details. You even got the small details on the Lego blocks, which is really good. And video is the same. When it's in focus, it focuses. Otherwise, I don't have any issues with the video. So let's see if it's focusing this time. So that's focusing really good. When I go up here with more light, okay, this time it's actually first staying in focus, so that's good. Let's move down to this man here. Yeah, so this time the video actually worked, but when I tried before, when I was focusing, I had an issue with the focusing. It would just not want to stay in focus, but here it's doing that, so that's a good thing. So yeah, the camera is really good. When the stuff is in focus, it looks very nice and very sharp. But if it doesn't want to focus, it sometimes really doesn't want to do it. I'm still in video mode. So let's just go back, guys. So the camera is decent. It's not anything amazing or stuff like that. In low light, it's really bad, guys. So let me turn off the light. And you guys can see. Okay, guys, I've turned on the light now, so just a bit of light. But as you can see, it is struggling. So this takes a bit of time, but it does take it, but you're getting a lot of grain on the picture, guys. Let me turn on the light again. So as you can see, guys, in low light it actually looks decent, but the picture does get a bit grainy. But otherwise the picture quality is fine, guys. It's usable, it's not anything terrible. I remember like last year I had some phones I tested out and the camera quality was so bad, literally it was not even usable in low light. But this one, no issues. But yeah, guys, the phone was really good. For the £150, it's a really good phone. And it works fine. As you saw, the water drop looks really nice on the screen. It's just really good. And you saw YouTube works really well on full playback, so you won't have any issue watching videos on the phone. And the screen is nice. It's not full HD or anything like that, but you are still getting a 720p screen. But it works, and for this price point you really can't complain. You've got that amazing screen, USB-C for charging, octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, so really nothing to complain for this price point. And it was not even laggy or anything like that. You saw the games, they were fine. I didn't have any problems. Asphalt works fine. The Modern Combat 5, I didn't have any issues. Yes, I was bad at the game, but it still worked and it didn't lag or freeze. And I've tried games up to 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I didn't have any heat issues, anything like that. Some phones do start to heat up, but this one didn't heat up. It didn't force me to shut down the game, anything like that. So that's a good thing. But overall, so yeah, for the price, the phone is really good, guys. If you do want to check it out, do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But overall, this is just my opinion, guys. You might have a different opinion on the phone, but yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.